Okay, so we're looking for a water line. We couldn't find it. We decided, a friend of ours said, hey, have you tried water witching? And we said, I've heard of that, but it sounds like hocus pocus to me. They just took one of these lawn flags like you see when they come and mark where all the utilities and things are, stripped off the flag part, bent these 90 degrees in them, and made these two little wires. And he said, when you walk along, if there's water underneath you, those lines should cross. And you hold them loose in your fingers like this. You don't put a finger on it or a thumb on it. Just hold it loose in your hand so it can swivel. And then you just walk along. And when you're over water, they should cross. And then when you're not over water, they open back up again. And I am not moving my fingers at all. Believe me or not, I mean, I'm not doing anything to manipulate it. But anyway, we had located these lines and we suspected that the water was underneath there, but we weren't quite sure. Well, when we used this method, that told us, yes, indeed, it should be under there. We had a little rain the other night, so it's kind of hidden now, so we kept digging. And it didn't look like the ground was disturbed under there, so we weren't quite sure we were on the right track. But when we got down deep enough, I don't know if I can make it so you can see it or not, but hear that? That's a 1-inch water pipe, 4.5 feet down. 1-inch water pipe. And this thing told us it was there. So leave your comments if you've ever had any experience with water witching. The other thing we was curious with, even though it'd be deeper over here, we wondered, does it go under the building or around the building? We weren't quite sure because this was built a long time ago. So we took these, we started back here. You got to get them balanced and you want them level and yet loose so they can swivel. We walked along here and that's where they crossed, so we marked it. 5 feet, it's marked in yellow. They cross at the same point every time, and then when you walk past it, they open back up. So we were astonished. It seems really crazy. Long and the short of it, it helped us find and fix a water leak. So if you've had any experience with water witching, this is the first time we've ever tried it, leave it in the comments below.